First in female in India. The first woman to become Miss World is Rita Faria Powell. The first woman judge in Supreme Court is Fatima Bibi. The first woman ambassador is Chonira Belliyappa Muthamma. The first woman governor of a state in free India is Sarojini Naidu. The first woman prime minister is Indira Gandhi. The first woman to climb Mount Everest is Bachchandri Paul. The first woman to climb Mount Everest twice is Santosh Yadav. The first woman president of Indian National Congress is Annie Besant. The first woman chief justice of High Court is Leela Singh. The first woman pilot in India Air Force is Harita Gaurdel. The first woman president of Union Nations General Assembly is Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. The first woman chief minister of Indian state is Sucheta Tripali. The first woman chairman of Union Public Service Commission is Rose Million Bithue.